There's a dangerous myth going around that AI is just a tool, but the elite hustlers already know the truth. AI is a business, not just a shortcut, not just a sidekick, a business in itself. And right now, there are AI agents out there that you should not be using. You should be selling because the window is still open, but it's closing fast. Once the masses catch up, the margins shrink and the opportunity fades. So today, we're going deep. 3 AI agents you need to package, brand, and sell right now before the next wave hits and you're left in the dust. Let's break this down. The AI Outreach Closer, your virtual SDR on steroids. Imagine having a cold calling, warm-led nurturing, 24/7 follow-up machine that never gets tired, never forgets a prospect, and always pitches with precision. That's what an AI Outreach Closer does. And the best part? It's one of the easiest to sell because you're not convincing people they need it. They already do. Every business owner knows they need more leads and better follow-up, but most can't afford a sales team or don't have time to train one. So you come in with a done-for-you AI agent that integrates with their CRM, studies their offer, and sends human-like personalized outreach on email, LinkedIn, or even SMS. The results? Higher open rates, better replies, and booked calls on autopilot. Now here's the trick. You don't sell the tech, you sell the result. Don't say this is an AI-powered automation bot. Say this is your new sales development rep, no sick days, no salary, and it works weekends. You can charge monthly retainers, license the agent, or even offer it performance-based. And because you're giving them money back in the form of booked revenue, the price becomes irrelevant if the ROI is real. Most elite hustlers are packaging ChatGPT API plus CRM automation tools like Zapier, Apollo, Clay, or Instantly.ai to make this work. But the magic is in the copywriting and prompt engineering. If you can master tone and make your agent sound like a high-performing rep, you win. And when your client gets results, you've just made yourself indispensable. The Authority Engine, AI for content domination. You've probably seen this already. AI is writing tweets, blogs, video scripts, you name it. But that's old news. What's next level is this: creating a white-labeled AI content engine that turns a business owner into a niche authority without them ever lifting a finger. Think podcasts, newsletters, LinkedIn thought pieces, short-form video captions, all generated, scheduled, and optimized through one interface powered by AI agents trained on the client's voice. Why does this matter? Because personal brand is the new SEO, and business owners, especially in high-ticket spaces like consulting, coaching, SaaS, or real estate, need visibility to build trust. But most don't have time to create daily content, let alone edit or repurpose it. That's your pitch. Let us clone your voice and make you look like the expert you already are across every platform without you ever touching the keyboard. You train an AI agent using their past content, meeting recordings, sales calls, or even emails. From that, you build a prompt system that can generate weekly newsletters, 10 Twitter posts, 3 LinkedIn carousels, and even YouTube scripts. Then you tie it to scheduling tools like Publer, Buffer, or Metricool. Wrap it in a service offer and call it a visibility machine. Charge them $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000 a month, depending on volume. And once they start getting inbound leads and deal flow, they won't ever cancel. This isn't content, it's positioning. You're selling identity and authority. And right now, there's barely any real competition in this space if you know how to prompt properly and niche down. The AI Internal SOP Builder, the $1 million back-end play. This one's for the builders and operators. Every business that grows hits the same wall: chaos. Processes get messy. Onboarding new hires becomes painful. Nothing's documented. That's where the AI SOP agent comes in. And this is where you can quietly make an absolute fortune. You offer a systems-in-a-box solution powered by AI that listens to how a business runs, documents it in clear SOPs, standard operating procedures, and turns chaos into structure. The process is simple. You interview the founder, record key operational meetings, and feed all the information into an AI agent designed to extract repeatable steps, best practices, and decision trees. The output is a full operational manual, tailored, branded, and editable. You can do this using tools like Notion AI, ChatGPT-4, Process Street, or Scribe. But here's the twist. You turn it into a service. We'll document your business in 14 days and build your AI-powered backend so you can scale with clarity. You'd be surprised how many $5 million plus revenue businesses have zero documentation. They're bleeding time and stuck in founder dependency. You walk in, use AI to do what used to take consultants months and deliver tangible systems in weeks. And because this adds enterprise value to the business, you can charge big. $10,000 projects, $25,000 consulting retainers, or equity deals if you're bold enough. This isn't trendy, it's timeless. And AI just made it 10 times easier to do. Hustlers who understand back-end operations will dominate this space, especially those who can link it to hiring, automation, and scaling. Let me pause right here and ask you something critical. Are you thinking like a user or like an owner? See, the average person hears about AI and asks, how can I use it to save time? But the elite hustler, they ask, how can I turn this into an income stream, a system, a product, a brand? Because tools are temporary, but value creation, that scales. You're not here to use ChatGPT. You're here to package it, polish it, and make people pay for it. So let me drop some heat. If you're not building with AI, you're building on borrowed time. If you're not monetizing it, someone else is monetizing you. And here's the harsh reality. Most people will wait. They'll think about it. They'll say it's saturated. Or worse, they'll get stuck trying to build something perfect. Meanwhile, the smart ones, they move fast, test ugly, iterate quickly, and cash in while the window's still cracked open. Let's be clear. You don't need to code. You don't need to build a SaaS startup. What you need is leverage. These AI agents give it to you. Package one into a productized service, land one solid client, and you're off to the races. Need help getting your first one off the ground? Here's a quick framework. Pick a niche. Coaches, agencies, realtors, e-commerce brands, SaaS founders. It doesn't matter. Just go deep instead of wide. Find the pain. Are they struggling with leads, content, operations? Map the pain to the solution. Build the agent. Use GPT-4, Claude, or open source models. Stack with Zapier, Notion, Google Sheets, whatever you need. Test internally. Make sure it works. Not perfectly, but functionally. Productize it. Give it a name, a price, a process. Sell it. Cold DMs, Upwork, referrals, Loom videos. Get scrappy. Do this once, you'll have proof of concept. Do it 5 times, you'll have a business. And if you go harder, you might just own the niche before anyone else wakes up. Now let me give you some final sauce to take this deeper. AI agents are not just products, they're assets. Think of them like digital employees that you can duplicate and deploy. Every time you build one that works, you now own something with leverage. You can sell it, rent it, license it, or use it as bait to get higher ticket clients. Stack enough of them, and you've got an army. A business without employees, without inventory, without fulfillment headaches. And the best part? You're early. Most people still think AI is a gimmick. They'll catch up, but by then, you'll be the one they're paying to learn from. So if you're serious about escaping the noise and tapping into the next wealth wave, stop scrolling and start selling. Build one AI agent, just one. Package it. Offer it to 5 people this week, and when one bites, you'll realize this isn't about hype. This is about power, digital leverage, scalable systems, recurring income. That's what elite hustlers build. Because while everyone else is playing with prompts, you'll be closing deals. Want me to go deeper on how to build these agents from scratch or what prompts and tools to use? Drop a comment below with Agent Builder, and I'll create an advanced breakdown just for the real ones. No fluff, just elite execution. And if this gives you clarity, do something with it. Information without action is just digital noise. You're better than that. Let's move like we mean it.